Alright, so this is basically going to be a video of an update since the last time these videos were featured in the show. It's probably been about a month. So I've done some damage to them. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that I did to the shoe, and I'll also post a picture of how it was before that. Okay, so all the damage, yeah, all the bluing right there, over here. Doesn't look that bad. Doesn't look that bad now, but I did an application of a little bit of a crayon, and it worked. And I'll show you how to do that right now. See that I messed it up? You just gotta really, if you messed it up, you can paint it back on. But I mean, it's just paint. It's kind of it sucks, but I mean, it's whatever. But yeah, this right here, this is what happened to my Ultra Boost. Since the last time I had them, they were super white. If you look in the last video. This is from Denim Blue Jeans right there, that blue wing. Oh, this blue wing is from Denim Blue Jeans. I cannot stress how important it is to not do that. But Denim Blue Jeans look real nice with these. Look how white these things look. In the mirror they look fine, but they just look like horrible whenever. I mean, they look beautiful in blue jeans, but up close they look disgusting, like right here. I hate that. Don't you just hate that? But it's okay. Look at this. But look at all that. But that's okay. I mean, that was from a party, so I mean, there's nothing really you can do about it. Like all that, it's from a party, so all this is whatever. But look, I mean, in the mirror, look just as fine. Look, see? Focus. See in the mirror, it looks like whatever. But up close, it looks like shit. So this white crayon, look at this, literally a white crayon, and it's actually a crayon from Halloween. Makeup crayon from Halloween. Face makeup. All you gotta do is just lightly, very lightly, scrub, like point at it, you know, kind of go very lightly. Do not do a lot, because then if you do a lot, it looks weird. You gotta do a little bit. And then what you really have to do is you have to rub on it a little bit. Just rub it a little bit, like that. Make it disappear into it, like that. Keep going a little bit. It's just a way to repair these things, because I mean, I want them to look white, you know? So, scrub it like that. And look, it looks a little bit better from the way it was before, look. See? But you just gotta keep doing it, you know? Put a little bit more on the edges right there. Where you see? Just gotta screw it. Spread it out. See? And then probably on this side, you see that? See all that right there? But look at this side. Since I put an application of that little shit, take away a little bit of it if you think about it. See it? But on the very bottom, you can still see it. So here it is. Just go to the very bottom. See if I can get that bottom. I'm doing this live, by the way. This is first try. Everything's first try. I mean, you know, you gotta keep it 100% with your shoes, 100%, everything, man. It's all good. You see that? Let's try to get rid of this too. I mean, it's also kind of like a Yeezy, or not like a Yeezy. What the fuck am I saying? This is Ultra Boost, but yeah, these shoes were hyped up by Kanye West, of course. I mean, they're very nice shoes, but damn, they stain so easily, man. It kind of sucks. You have to go through this just $200 shoe, you know. They should be able to, you know, by this time, be able to be stain free. Something. $200. God damn, that's my home. That's my whole light bill, water bill, internet. No, mom, it's broke. But you know what? Keep it 100. You pay for those shoes because they look fly. Look, boom. They look alright. You see when you put that little application, they don't look too bad now. They good. Oh damn. Okay, now for this, to get rid of some of this, okay, look at the back end of this. Hold up. Give me 1 second. See this right here? This left end and the right end. Look at this. Okay, but the way I made that a little bit cleaner and also sacrificed some of the paint is by using some nail polish and Q-tip. Put the nail polish in the top, dip the Q-tip in it, and just scrub like that. But be careful. You know, it's just horrible. But then again, but yeah, these are a legit pair of Ultra Boost too. Like, come on. Got the insole. Got the under. You know what I'm saying? What else does it say? Adidas right there. Like, legit, bro. Look, what else can I prove? Oh, tongue, todo. What else? Pinche dentro. ¿Qué más? La media. El otro boost. Look at that. But I just messed it up. Maybe if I wipe it off white, it'll look clean, right? It would look clean. Alright, guys. Gotta keep it 100 with y'all. Look at that. Whatever the hell that says. Torsion system. I was like, get bad, bro. But look, they don't look that bad. You just gotta keep an eye on them, I guess. You gotta always be cleaning them. Do something to them. Looks a little bit better from the sides. Looks more clean. Yeah. See you later, guys. Oh, also, the last time I recorded this video, I was on this phone. But now I'm on the S7. So, I'll also be doing a review on that. A real review on that. Later, guys.